Hello guys. Um we're finished loading now. It's not much order this time. So I'll show you there are some empty shelves. So that's the shelves there. It's empty. But all the way down to the back is fully loaded. So as you see they just this is load by orders. That's the way they do it. So I got already spruce now here because that's the start of Christmas foliage. December, that's the start of selling of spruce. And oak, that's the oak foliage. Is the maple foliage. That's the green flax and the flax flower over there. So most of them orders on the very end, on the other end. And the hydrangea foliage there, and the red leucodendron, leucospernum viburnum. Outside is here. Got the variegated holly. And I open the side of the van and I show you what's over there also. So I'm heading now at the side of the van. In a moment. So this is the side of the van. Loading already all of it. So this is where we put some straps so it won't go or slide the buckets. And underneath also there, there's a few orders there. So I will shut this one. I can go up, show you what's inside. It's very crowded there. That's the inside of it. So that's all the way down here. There's the orders there. I will shut it. This one. This is a copper beech. This is the ivy trailing ivy, and the maple, and the variegated holly. So shutting it down. Side of it. This is the inside of it, all the way down to the back. This is how it looks like. So those load of foliage at the back of the van and this behind me are ready to deliver tomorrow. So we'll see you again for my next latest update for my delivering and myself. See you guys. Bye. Hi guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning here. I am going out for delivering. I got my headlamp because I went out switching the light to the driveway. Anyway, all finished that one. I already showed you early on, so I need to shut it and ready to go for delivering. So ready, start the van. And come on now, Asha, you go home now. I'll let the dog going home now. Come on. Go inside. Just to go out. Up in your bed. This time she's not coming out with me. Bye-bye, Asha. So that's it, guys. Ready to do delivering early morning. So that's me delivering. That's my life, and that's the way I do my work. I'll see you around for my next delivery. See you. Bye. Have a good morning and stay safe, everybody. Bye.